Australian researchers found that the popular Bak Kut Teh has the potential to cause liver damage when clashed with prescribed drugs. Scientists from Adelaide University conducted a study on 4 locally purchased packets of pre-made Bak Kut Teh. The purpose was to evaluate if the herbal soup causes any potential liver damage. The result of the study was published in Forensic Science, Medicine and Pathology journal. It was found that all 4 packets of soups demonstrated significant toxicity to liver cells. It said the soup ingredients when mixed with liver cells killed up to 83% of cells. Speaking to ABC Radio Adelaide, researcher Professor Roger Byard said one of the soup samples killed 83% of cells exposed to it in undiluted form. And even when diluted 10 times, it killed 15% of the cells. He said all the packets contained different ingredients, including vague terms such as spices, pepper and salt. Because of that, he said it was unclear what exactly in the soup could cause liver damage. However, Professor Byard also added that the study result should not cause panic. Obviously, a lot of people have this soup and don't have a problem. In fact, I myself love the soup. I've had it for years, however, I have stopped taking it. The study also builds on similar results about the toxic effects of herbal medicine on the liver when contracted with prescribed medication. People say herbs are natural, therefore they're safe. But if anything has a therapeutical effect, it can also have a therapeutical side effect. And there's a whole lot of things that happen like herb-herb interactions or herb-drug interactions. We just don't know what's going on, and that's the scary thing about it, I think. This may also extend to herbal food such as Bak Kut Teh. It is said such results should not come as a surprise, as a number of herbal products may interfere with a variety of metabolic pathways.